What is the history of Wall Street's charging bull? Imagine walking through the bustling streets of Lower Manhattan and suddenly coming face to face with a massive, shiny bronze bull charging forward. This is not just a sculpture. It is a symbol that captures the spirit of New York City's financial heart. The charging bull, also called the Wall Street Bull, is a famous piece of art that has become one of the most recognizable landmarks in the city. But how did it get there, and what does it really mean? Let's find out. The story begins in the late 1980s. An Italian-American artist named Arturo Di Modica created the sculpture as a way to boost confidence after the stock market crash of 1987. The crash, known as Black Monday, saw the Dow Jones Industrial Average drop over 21% in a single day. Di Modica wanted to send a message of strength, resilience, and hope to the people of New York and traders everywhere. He spent about $360,000 of his own money to make the sculpture, which took around 2 years to complete. In December of 1989, Di Modica secretly installed the charging bull in front of the New York Stock Exchange as a surprise gift to the city. He placed it overnight beneath a large Christmas tree without asking for permission from the city. The next morning, police arrived and removed the sculpture because it was there without approval. But the public loved it. People supported the artwork and wanted it to stay. After some debate, the city's Department of Parks and Recreation decided to move the sculpture to a more prominent location. It was placed in Bowling Green Park, right near the entrance to Wall Street, where it still stands today. Since then, the charging bull has become a symbol of Wall Street's strength and the American economy. Visitors from all over the world come to see it and often touch its horns and snout for good luck. It is a favorite photo spot and a reminder of the city's ability to bounce back from tough times. The sculpture also represents the energy and optimism that drive New York City's financial district. It is more than just a piece of art. It is a part of the city's history and its ongoing story of growth and determination.